Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE RedMagic 6R, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device into the box. It's somewhere between like paperworks usually, so you can get it from there. Now, if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So with that being said, if you have either the paperclip or the tool, you can then begin. If you have a case on your phone, take it off, and the tray is located at the bottom of the phone next to the charging port. Find a little insert pin like this one, push the pin in, and you will see that the tray pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it with your fingernails and then yank it out. Now, unfortunately, it looks like this tray only takes SIM cards, so no SD card support, unfortunately. So this will only take SIM cards. Now, you can place two SIM cards on either side. Doesn't matter which one. If you're planning to use one, you can also place it on the bottom side. Like I said, it doesn't matter. But unfortunately, you cannot insert a SIM, or not SIM, SD card. Anyway, from there, pop it back in, and the card should start working right away. So let's see. Oh, there we go. It's already up. So unlock SIM card 1. That's the tray that I put it in, the first one. If you put it at the back side to the 2, obviously it's gonna tell you unlock SIM card 2. Anyway, I'm gonna confirm my SIM card pin, and this will unlock it. So there we go. That is how you insert your SIM card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.